Hello friends, it's Jana. Today I am giving you an update of this Hoya benvergare that I have. I showed you this Hoya in my older videos, but this time friends, I am showing you a bloom. But I am too late to show this and I did not notice this as well. Last week I seen this haba peduncle, then I waited to take a picture waiting for it to bloom. Then I got too busy and then today is when I remembered to look at this plant. But then now look at the bloom is about to go away, right? It is starting to close up. See the petals on it, it's like closing up, so I believe it is going to go away soon, but still I'm able to catch a little bit of it. So next time I will keep an eye friends. This is in my patio in this area where my lifesaver cactus and my starfish cactus that smells when it blooms, this is where it's hanging out, and it is happy. It gets morning sun for only a few hours in a day, and then it has a shade, a roof in this patio, so it doesn't get so much of like it when it rains. It is getting thirsty actually. I will only water this few times a week because it gets so hot here and I don't want to overwater, and I'm protecting this so much. I have another piece of this which is where my Hoya publicalis is, and that one don't have any peduncles, but this one did give me a bloom and I'm so happy. And don't mind the other plant in the back, it is very long, needs water too, it's thirsty. And next here I have this Hoya too that I'm waiting for it to bloom because I don't know what this look like. This is the Shepherdii, but I don't know what color of bloom it is going to show me, so I'm hoping this will get inspired with this one getting bloom. I couldn't get a good smell on this because it seems like the scent is going away. It does have a flowery bloom, but at least I'm able to catch this one. This is just a quick update for this Hoya benvergare. I'm so glad that I'm able to share this bloom and show you what this look like. Well friends, I hope you like this bloom and tell me if you have one too just like this. Alright, that's an update for this for now. Today I am showing you two Hoyas in this area of my patio. It's the Hoya David Comengiae. I don't know if this is the correct pronunciation. And here is the Hoya Rebecca. Now let's take a look at this beautiful plants friends. Don't mind the dots. The specks of my Hoya David because it got hurt from too much water, rain, and sun. So this is just cosmetic friends. I already treated them with neem oil just in case a fungus is gonna attack this plant, because this is what I read about is signs of fungus. So I did treat them with neem oil, and that is just after whatever is left over in this. Just like my other Hoyas, the Hoya pubicalis did have some spots, but I don't mind them friends. They are happy, they are blooming, and they are growing and doing well. But I just need to keep in mind to continue on doing my neem oil every week friends to keep them healthy and not overwater them. So this is now here in my patio, away farther from where it was before, so this still gets sun, about 6 hours of sunlight, and it did get that morning sun, not too much heat because they will just change the leaf color if you expose it to too much heat. The color of its leaf will go pale and very spotty when it gets to getting rain, too much rain. But today it did rain. It is not the perfect day for filming today. It did have some splashes of rain even though I have a roof in this patio, but they're okay. They won't be having any more of this because I sprayed them already with neem oil. So let's focus on Hoya Rebecca first friends. So you could see this is so beautiful, and that is the main reason why I got this Hoya, because of its beautiful leaf color. When I got this plant friends, this is not in this color at all. It was just plain green color, and it hasn't given me any of this hint of redness on its leaf and the back of here sometimes shows pink, but this one don't show it. But I'm gonna show you the one that shows pink in the bottom here. But look at this beautiful leaf that is growing right now, friends. So it's getting long, and I am not cutting this because they are currently in bloom. So I'm gonna wait until they are done blooming and showing a lot more growth because I want this to get fuller. I want a fuller plant. So look at the leaves right here before I show you the peduncles and the blooms. But here is the leaf on this one. So if I flip the leaf in the back, it shows that very nice pink color. See that? Very beautiful, friends. So here is this peduncle that I failed to show you, friends. It did bloom. I took a picture, which I will insert it here if I could find it. But this was the first bloom that I saw, and it was so beautiful. And here is the one that is the main reason why I'm filming in a rainy day, so I don't fail to show you this again, because this is what I do. I want to show you what they look, and I want to enjoy it with your friends. So this is the Hoya Rebecca bloom. It does have a beautiful bloom just like the Hoya lacanosa that I have. It does have similar blooms. This one is just more pink in color. So this one has more pink on its bloom, and it's so cute and beautiful, and because of its beautiful leaf and the bloom is the reason why I am keeping this plant forever. I will not get tired. I don't think I will get tired on this plant with the way this looks, because it's just so beautiful. And look at this one. This is another bloom that I totally fail to see or even take a picture with. I fail it, friends. And in the end of this, also here is another end here that has a this one here. The other end of this other one has a peduncle, and it has the really sign of having another bloom, but we'll see if I could catch it again. But yes, they love getting misted. They like to get wet on its leaves, but not soaked, friends. They will get hurt. You treat this like a succulent, like the other Hoyas that I have, because it has this thicker leaves. So it does get hurt if you overwater them, because yes, I did overwater them before and it wasn't happy, and I lost a lot of leaves. But this time I keep in mind to keep on the watch on this thing that it doesn't get overwatered. So if you've seen my Hoya macrophylla repotting video, I will insert it here. That's the same mixture that I use. It has coco coir, orchid mix, and perlite, and I normally put a lot of orchid barks on top of them. That way they will stay not overwatered and just get those mist, and they like the moisture of the water too, friends. So they like that type. So here is this Hoya David. This Hoya David got a lot of spots, but I already told you before, I don't mind them spots, so they are treated. I normally pluck the leaves and then a new stem would grow out of it. Just completely pluck it off there, clean pluck, but I don't mind it right now. And today I'm just focusing on showing you this beautiful peduncles that it is showing me, friends. So here is this one peduncle that Hoya David is showing. So I am waiting patiently and watching them daily from now on, because I don't want to miss it. Look at how beautiful the peduncle is on this Hoya David. It has the green looking thing there. Here is this one stem that has two blooms that are about to open up, friends. So exciting. I cannot wait to see what the flower on this going to look. I am so excited because look at on this stems is another one. Here is another one on this stems right here. They are really going to open up soon, and I will insert the picture on the bloom on this one when I see it. That way I can insert it in this video too. But this Hoya Rebecca is just so fast that I missed it So two of them that I missed on this Hoya Rebecca. So I did not want to miss to show you this in video. So I hope to see this in couple of days from now. Open it up and I will insert it in this video, friends. So here is Hoya David Comingii, friends. 2 hours after I was doing the video, I looked back out here and I noticed this, friends. Just look at that. And it is picking. It looked like the flower is started to open, so hopefully tomorrow morning I will see it open. And it smells so good, friends. It has this very sweet smell, so much like vanilla, honey, whatever. So sweet, friends. It just smells so sweet. So I cannot wait to see what it looks when it opens up totally. So I will update you tomorrow if it opens up all the way. I am not gonna miss this one. Alright, friends, now it is morning, but it is not a beautiful sunny day. It is about to rain again and it's so windy here, but I am just so happy that I'm able to show this to you this morning. It does smell so yummy, friends. It smells like a butterscotch and so pretty too. So lovely. I'm so happy I'm able to show this to you. Alright, friends, well, it's about to rain again. I hope you enjoyed watching. Happy planting. Bye bye.